YouTube? Tyler with Coast Motor Company, going out for a little test drive with the one and only Diesel Dave. We're taking a ride in a beautiful dark blue 1976 CAMARO Type LT, 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Just a nice riding old car. Smooth, baby, smooth. This car was a total frame-off nut and bolt restoration. Everything new. You can see the interior is like new. The paint's beautiful. Underneath, engine compartment, everything is gorgeous on this car. The only thing it needs is a new owner.
Tyler, this car steers. This car, like, I mean, look. It steers, I mean, like, nice. I mean, look at this.
Like driving a late model car.
I mean, it's perfect.
This is one of those classics you could actually use a little bit. You know, unlike some of them that are maybe more high performance or older than this that are kind of more of a burden. This is something you could get in, hit the key, take out for a ride. You can run your errands in it and, you know, make the mundane things cool.
I agree with that. And you know what? It handles so well on the curves.
All new suspension.
Yeah.
It's got aftermarket American racing wheels with radial tires. Really brings it in the 21st century, don't you think?
Yeah. This car is really tight. I mean, you don't have to do anything special but drive it. That's it.
Put gas in it and take it down the road. That's what we like.
That's it.
If you guys have any questions on this car or any of the cars we have, feel free to give us a call, 941-212-6548. You can email us, coastmotorco@gmail.com. You can put an inquiry in through our website, which is coastmotorco.com. Send us a letter, whatever you got to do to get in touch with us. We're happy to help. You can find us on YouTube under Classic Cars Connection. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, pretty much anywhere out there that you can get a hold of somebody through. So again, I'm Tyler with Coast Motor Company, along with Diesel Dave. Wishing you a lovely day and happy holidays. Thanks.